Successful. So we're going to put a piston in this 2018 Husqvarna Te250. It's a Vertex piston, and I'm at about 95 hours on the bike. But figured it's time to do a piston anyways, keep her fresh. Alright, let's get started. Pull the plastics off first. Bike out now, it doesn't stick right. There we go. Alright, let's grab some wrenches, pull the seat off, pull the tank. Next, let's pull out this gas tank. Move the vent hose. Make sure this is undone from your petcock, but I'm cleaning my carb at the moment, so that's already off. Alright, let's pull her off. Forgot something. There's a middle bolt. Alright, next we got to pull off the pipe and silencer. It's 2 bolts for the silencer and 2 bolts for the pipe. Silencer is undone. Give it a little twist. And it should come right off. Okay, there's that. Put that to the side. A little energy drink in me. Alright, let's get back at it. Let's pull off this head pipe. Next, let's drain the coolant. Alright, let's see if this deflector works. Look at that. Almost all of it in the bucket. Right on. Okay. Let's reinstall that bolt. Make sure you got the squish washer, copper squish washer on there. That one's 10 Newton meters tight. Let's hand tight it right now. Okay, next step, let's remove radiator hoses. There's that one that runs from this radiator all the way to the other side to the other radiator. And there's one to the top of the head right there. I remove all those. This plug wire comes off as well. She's running rich. Next, let's get these frame supports. Oh, that's a freaking cool seal. Okay, there's a little clip that holds that power valve in there. Little push rod right there. And don't lose that clip because you need that. Alright, next let's remove the top of the head. Stick don't go in there. I ended up taking out the whole radiator on this side just to get that cross hose from one radiator to the other out. Kind of got to pull that out to get this head out too. So the new gasket's on. Next thing to do, install the piston. A little oil. And this needle bearing, a little 2-stroke oil. There's that. A little bit of oil on this wrist pin. Okay, here's the wrist pin, clips, C-clip, whatever you want to call this thing. I was looking it up, and there's a trick on YouTube to doing it, watching one of the videos. But before we do this, let's cover this up, just in case we drop it into the case. don't want to do that.
We've taken our micrometer, we've set it to 2.0993. That's basically what we had for number 1. And we are going to set our dial bore gauge. We're going to zero it off the mic.
Okay.
At this point we have our Toyota dial bore gauge. I'm going to go ahead and float it here.
Got my screwdriver.
And what you're going to see is our gauge is moving down, down, down. And we're wanting to hit here.
Okay, let's see. So, put it on the edge.
Right there. So we know that this dial bore gauge is set to the exact same diameter that the rod journal is on the crankshaft itself.
On this one.
Now that we've set our dial bore
Let's see.
gauge, I've taken a connecting rod and piston, in this case number 1. Everything has been torqued to that 30 foot-pounds plus speed.
Let's see. Gotta get this thing wedged in there. Okay. Just like that. And hold it down on one end while I take this flathead and I'm gonna pry up with it over here. There we go. There's that. And then shove it in. Make sure it's seated all the way around. These clips are a pain. Okay, ready to install the head. Successful. I check it right now for some snags, see if there's any snags on it. Ever know the ring may be crooked and snagging, but yeah, seems to be good. Cool. Damn it. Popped a hole in this thing. Right. Right there. Alright. Let's go run to AutoZone and grab another hose. Let's measure this up, cut it, put it back together. Perfect. Alright, well I'm back. Had to go grab some dinner. Hungry. Wife made the best curry, rice, and some steamed vegetables. Check that out. Oh man. Look at that. I had to trim that because it ripped off of there. Okay, so everything's back together. Head's all back together. Can't fire up the bike right now. The carburetor's still off. I'm doing some cleaning on that thing. So in the next video, we'll see this thing run. Cool. All right.